Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone. Here I will mix the tofu. Want to know how? Come on, follow me now.
First, prepare the ingredients. Here are 500 gram tofu, 5 tablespoons cornstarch, 5 cloves of garlic, half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon of flavoring, half a teaspoon of powdered stock, half a teaspoon pepper. Cut the tofu into small pieces, then mash them. Add 5 tablespoons of cornstarch. Add 5 garlic cloves that have been mashed. Then add the other pieces. Stir well. Once well blended, put all the stock into the plastic. Fry the dough in an elongated shape. Don't forget to turn it backward so it don't burn. Tofu sticks are ready. Just add your favorite sauce. It's easy.
That's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.